Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
Look at the water, guys. Oh, in the distance. Don't pick up.
That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just
Really? And let's turn back. Let's turn back.
I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for
I feel like
You never became woman.
yo ever. Thank you, baby.
I'll be the one you trust, you're all that matters.
So this is where we decided to chill. We're gonna have a little picnic situation. Sorry for the quality drop, but that's because I forgot my battery in the house. Very disappointed. So this is where we are chilling, and this is our direct view, and we're probably gonna just sleep here. Baby, what cold meat? Show them. This is like, I don't. This is what is it?
It's cured tongue.
Cured tongue.
Cured tongue, yeah. One
Wow.
of my favorites actually is my cold meat.
Sorry, I was zooming in too much. It's cured tongue.
It's cured
And
tongue.
tell us what the texture is like.
Semi-cold meat, semi-apple.
Wow.
So if
Okay.
you're familiar with the brains,
It's called what? Apple.
yes.
Oh, I didn't know this. I'm learning something new.
Yeah.
Wow.
Brains, the stomach, all of that is
Okay,
apple.
can we see it close up?
Nah, your food is an apple family.
Sorry to do this, guys. I'm not trying to be weird or whatever, but I've never had tongue before.
I was shocked.
Yeah. And apple for the girl. For the girl. You want some? Sisaqho mama lalelani. Improvising. What are we drinking, baby? Salitos. We got introduced to that yesterday. Really cute bottle.
Mexican beer.
It's quite sweet, yeah?
Yeah, the 4 days
Yeah.
together. In this festive season, because so far it's been so rainy. Smiles, happiness, and nongasweli. Yonke into esiyifunayo ikwazi ukuthi
Kwande.
ifinyelele nje nongasweli. Simangele.
Oh, just manga. Alright, so why are we busy chopping, peeling potatoes?
Making fun somebody was celebrating a birthday. Yes, it's about the celebration, but kakul, I just think we love being together.
Yeah.
And
So brother Talent's birthday, yeah. Celebration.
Yes.
So
Was it on Wednesday?
Tuesday was his birthday, and then today we are peeling and chopping.
So braai.
So we can make the pap for the braai. Yeah. Babe is busy making pap.
Durban pap, to be specific.
Durban pap, which has potatoes, water. We're making for a small function, so, and maize meal, nyala. And yeah.
Birthday celebration.
Can I give you a quick rundown? I'm running out of space. Okay, so we've got our carrots. We're making chakalaka, which is like a relish. For those who don't know, you have carrots, baked beans. I got curry leaves because it just adds that homey flavor. 2 cans and green beans and green bell peppers and a red bell pepper, just to add that sweetness, and then onion. So yeah, and color, and then we've got a bigger cabbage here. So that's what I'm going to be doing, making it a little bit spicy, adding some paprika and curry powder to it, and salt, and a little bit of maybe chilies if you have. So that's how it goes, and that's what we're going to be making. You eat that with the meat and the pap, so it's like curry next to the pap and the meat. So those are the 3 elements of what the braai is about, including alcohol.
Of course.
And good conversation and laughs.
Good company works. It's the best with
Yeah, braai deserves. It's like a cultural thing for us. Braai is part of our culture.
Yeah. What happens?
Now we're in the inception stages.
Don't you think that's better?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, good. I struggle cutting cabbage because it's so big. So I'm taking.
Better.
So just.
Me?
Yeah, thank you.
Can I just go to my drink? I wanna watch this on my cousin.
Let it play there as well.
Okay.
Every view counts. So yeah. Wait a minute.
Are you throwing this one?
Yes.
And this?
Yeah, that too.
Concentrate on
So here we have a mixture of spices, jeera, we have biryani mix, we have paprika, we have mother-in-law and Durban curry, and then here in the middle is the garlic. And then over here, let me just pan through: onions, julienne, peppers, julienne, green beans, and julienne carrots. So that's gonna go in here. So let me chop as well as I can with this knife. I don't want the chunks to be too big or too small, so medium size, so it cooks through. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that helps presentation. I'm trying, guys, with this knife. It's big. My hands are small, so it's.
back dignity time and time again. I relapse, but now is not.
And lastly, equatorial
Old
Guinea
hood.
set for
Yeah, this is the
election
old
today.
hood.
President Teodoro Obiang Nguema, the world's
Yeah.
longest standing president, is expected
guess the
to
tree
extend
fell
his
from the
43
storms.
year rule. Over 4,000 people.
In Brisbane.
I'm fucking driving school.
Careful.
Durban.
Yeah.
Men in black.
Who they told you? Why is that? We may say. Na sua cidade é nova ele. Não vai estar na sua casa aqui. Bravo.
Cynthia was like, when do you know closer from? I was like, Ibo. I went to school in UJ. My best friend was Zulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, Musa. Then, but I also had another.
Before you all not be excited about come, it's not popping and it's not cold.
Still. Am I the only one who likes stale popcorn? And stale knickknacks. Yes, supposed to make it good, Jamaican. God given stale chips, but they're good. They're good. It's the thought that counts. Thank you, baby. Hey guys, I hope this doesn't cut off my head. Oh, I look a mess. This is the day after the day before. This is the day after the Braai, the birthday celebration that we were prepping for yesterday. It was really amazing. It was like just a whole lot of dudes and I was the only girly girl there. But man, they bros, they big bros. It was really fun, lots of laughter and silliness. So I got a little bit of insight as to what the other gender talks about when we are away, when the wives are away and they are there to play. So I'll give you intel another time, ladies. But otherwise, thank you for watching. This has been our weekly vlog. I'll say I'm trying to commit to weekly vlogs, but that's a huge commitment. So I'm trying every Sunday to commit to that. As per your request, there have been a lot of questions about you know, life in Doha and how to get the gig that side. I'll try my best to do one of those soon when I get the time. I just have a few other videos that I need to actually get down to recording. So thank you as well to all the new subscribers. I really do appreciate. I hope that those that are watching and not subscribed will subscribe and show some love to your sis. Yeah, let me get editing now. Editing a couple of the Durban vlogs. I have like 3 just sitting there right now, so I'm a bit. Thank you for watching the last vlog, and I hope that you enjoy this week's vlog. Ciao.